Hello children, welcome back to calculus. We are now going through that exercise 3.1. Last class 3 questions are over. Fourth question, how to find out the sum of the angles of a polygon by making it into triangles. That also we studied last class. That is, in a polygon, drawing diagonals and then make it triangles, and then we know that by angle sum property the sum of the 3 angles is 180 degrees. So how many triangles you get, that way you multiply with 180, then you get the answer. Then fifth question, what can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with a number of sides? So we know that angle sum of a convex polygon, that is, equation is there, n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is the number of sides, that we know. So using this equation we can find out the angle sum of these concave polygons. That is, first one, number of sides is given, that is n equal to 7. Therefore angle sum equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, that equal to 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 into 180 degree, that equal to 5 into 0, 0, 5 8s are 40, 4 carrying, 5 into 1, 5, plus 4, 900 degree. Then second question, number of sides n equal to 8. Therefore angle sum equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Then whenever you find out the angle sum, first you write the equation and substitute that. Okay, so n minus 2, here n is 8, so 8 minus 2 into 180 degree, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 into 180 degree, that equal to 0, 6 8s are 48, 4 carrying, 6 into 1 6, plus 4 10, that is 1080 degree. Then see, number of sides n equal to here 10. So therefore angle sum equal to, first write the equation, n minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 10 minus 2 into 180 degree, that equal to 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 into 180 degree, then 8 into 0, 0, 8 8s are 64, 6 carrying, 8 into 1 8, plus 6 14, that is 1440 degree. Then D, number of sides equal to n. Therefore angle sum is the equation, angle sum that equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Sixth question, what is a regular polygon? You know that what is a regular polygon. What is that? That is a polygon which is equilateral and equiangular. Equilateral means all the sides are equal. Equiangular means all the angles are equal. So that is a regular polygon. It is a polygon which is equilateral and equiangular. That is, all the sides and all the angles are equal. That type of polygons are regular polygon. Then next, 3 sides, regular polygon of 3 sides, that is 3 sides are equal and 3 angles are equal. Which one is that? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, that is all the 3 sides are equal, so all the 3 angles are equal. Angles are 60 each. So a regular polygon having 3 sides is equilateral triangle. Then a regular polygon having 4 sides, that also you know, a square. all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal 90 degree each. Then the third one, a regular polygon with 6 sides. 6-sided polygon, we know that hexagon. So regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Then sixth question, see here 30 degree, here x, here also x. This angle, that is the exterior angle, 70 degree and here 60 degree. We want to find out this x. Let it be A, B, C, D, E, and this is P, Q, this line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are there. So it's a pentagon. EAP, that is this angle, plus EAB, this angle forms a linear pair. Here also CBQ, this angle, and CBA, this angle forms a linear pair. So from that we can find out this interior angle. So first we can write from the figure angle EAP plus angle EAB equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Then EAP is given 70 degree. So 70 degree plus angle EAB equal to 180 degree. That is angle EAB equal to 180 minus 70 degree, which is equal to 110 degree. So this angle is 110 degree. Then consider CBQ and CBA. This angle CBQ plus angle CBA equal to 180 degree. Same reason, linear pair. So angle CBQ, it is given 60 degree. So 60 degree plus angle CBA equal to 180 degree. That is angle CBA equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. That is here 120 degree. So we know that this is a pentagon. So angle sum equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. That is here n is 5. That is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 3 into 180 degree, which is equal to 540 degree. Then we can write 30 plus 30 degree plus x plus 110 degree plus 120 degree plus x equal to 540 degree. Here x plus x 2x plus 110 plus 30 140 plus 120, that is 260 degree equal to 540 degree. That is 2x equal to 540 degree minus 260 degree. 082, that is 280 degree. That is x equal to 280 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 140 degree. So these two are 140 degree. Okay, then this D, here also this symbol shows all these sides are equal. So how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5-sided pentagon. So this pentagon, all sides are equal. So it is a regular pentagon. So this is a regular pentagon. Then angle sum equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 5 sides are there. So 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 3 into 180 degree. That is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, 3 into 180 degree, which is equal to 540 degree. One angle is x, so all the angles are x. So how many sides? 5 sides. So 5x equal to 540 degree. Therefore x equal to 540 degree divided by 5, that is 108 degree. And the last question, in this figure find s plus y plus z, and here s plus y plus z plus w. Here 90 and here x. So from the figure we can write, from the figure 90 degree plus x equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair. That is x equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree equal to 90 degree. So this also 90 degree. Then here this y is the exterior angle of this triangle. That is triangle we name as PQR. Triangle PQR. So this angle is adjacent. So 30 plus 90 equal to y. That is y equal to 30 degree plus 90 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. That is by exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. So x we get, y we get, then z and this 30 forms a linear pair. So z plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair. That is z equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree, which is equal to 150 degree. So we get x, y and z. So x plus y plus z equal to x is 90 degree, then y is 120 degree plus z is 150 degree. That is 150, 120 and 90. 0, then 9 plus 2 11 plus 5 16, then 1 1 2 1 plus 1 3. 360 degree. Here find s plus y plus z plus w. So from the figure, here also we can write from the figure z plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair. That is z equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. Then here 120 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. Here also linear pair. Therefore x equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, which is equal to 60 degree. Then here also linear pair. 80 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. That also linear pair. Then y equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree, which is equal to 100 degree. In the figure we know that the angle sum equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. That is here is a quadrilateral, so 360 degree. Here given 120 degree plus 80 degree plus 60 degree plus this angle, let it be P equal to 360 degree. Here 120 plus 80, 200 plus 60, 260. That is P equal to 360 degree minus 260 degree, which is equal to 100 degree. That is here we get 100. Then this P and W. Then we can write P plus W equal to 180 degree. That is linear pair. So W equal to 180 minus P, that is 180 minus 100, which is equal to 80 degree. So this W is 80 degree. Then x plus y plus z plus w, that equal to x we get 60 degree plus y we get 100 degree plus z we get 120 degree plus w 80 degree. Here 120 plus 80, 200, then 300 plus 60, 360. So this exercise is over. Next session, this chapter we will continue. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.